Has there been in this game in recent years?
Well, I tell you the truth, it's there is a resurgence, but very slowly. We have a new Coit club at Pimpsaint, also one of Llanybydder, but it's an uphill battle, mainly perhaps of lack of sponsorship, lack of publicity mainly to this old game, which dates back to over 2,000 years ago, to the ancient Greeks.
Well, it'll just...
Up here now, Renee. One about.
Right, that's one. Okay, we'll pull that one out. Yeah. All right.
As far as you go.
Oh, I know we got one.
Oh, that's the one.
Bizim yemiş beni şabayız.
Hadi lle un well gyda Iwan.
Vete papel lá de
Yes.
No, Coit.